Today I am going to explain and analyze blackmar-diemer Gambit reps. I am going to explain 1 to 8 chapter this video. Okay, I am going to explain one by one, very deep analyze. Okay, now we can go now chapter 1. Why black resign in 4 moves only? Let's start with d4 opening. Okay, queen's pawn came. Now the white pawn is targets on c5 squares and e5 squares. Another move, d5. Okay, then e4. Now the e4 pawn attack the d5 black pawn. After that, knight go to f6. Then knight threatening the white pawn right now. Then white pawn go to forward. Okay, e5. Then knight go to e4. This is big blunder. That's why black resigned this game. You can see right now another move is f3. Okay, now the knight is wrapped right now. That's why black resigned this game. Okay, that's it. This is chapter 1. We can go now chapter 2. Blackmar-diemer Gambit chess Resigns In part 1 video. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 2. Blackmar-diemer Gambit. How to white wins by checkmate in 6 moves. Okay. We can go now. Let's start with d4 opening. Queen's pawn came. Then d5, e4, d cross e4. Then knight c3. Attack the pawn, black pawn. Okay, another move is c5. Okay, now bishop go to c4. Attack the f7 squares pawn. Another move is queen cross d4. Okay, now another move. How to white win? You can see right now in 2 moves. Okay, next move is knight d5. Okay, then queen cross c4. This is big blunder. That's why another move. Knight c7 and beautiful checkmate right now. Okay, that's it. We can go now chapter 3. Okay, this is chapter 3. Why black resign in 9 moves? Why black resign in 9 moves? Okay, let's start with d4, d5. Queen's pawn came, e4, blackmar-diemer Gambit. Okay, another move of white, black, d cross e4, knight c3, knight c6. Attack the white pawn, y black knight, and attack the black pawn, y white knight. Okay, then d5 knight e5. Another move of queen go to d4. Sorry, go back. Now queen go to d4. Then knight g6. Then bishop b5 and we will check. Now black the check with c5 pawn and cut the pawn with white pawn, cut the black pawn, and queen cross d4. Queen is gone. So that's okay because you can see right now why black resign. C cross b7 and we will check. Discovered check. Then king go to d8. After that, rook is gone. B cross a8. Rook is gone and get the queen. Totally this game, white has so many pieces. White have so many pieces. Black have little pieces. That's why black resigned this game. Okay, that's it. We can go now chapter 4. Hello everyone. This is chapter 4. Why white resign in 6 moves? Okay, let's start with d4, d5, e4, blackmar-diemer Gambit, d cross e4, then knight go to c3, then e5, then queen go to e2, another move of black, queen cross d4, okay, then queen cross e4. After that, bishop go to b4, pin the knight, then bishop d2, white bishop go to d2. Okay, this is a big blunder because the queen is gone right now. You can see right now. Bishop cross c3. White resign right now because if you didn't cut the bishop, then black queen is gone. White queen is gone. Go back now. If queen cut the if the white queen cut the black queen, then bishop cut the queen and black have 1 pieces extra. Okay, that's why white resigned this game. White have 2 bishop and 1 knight and 2 rook. Black have 2 rook, 2 bishop, 2 knight. That's why white resigned this game. We can go now chapter 5. Hello everyone, this is chapter 5. Okay, white wins by checkmate in 9 moves. Okay, let's start with d4 opening, d4, king's pawn opening, this smoke move. Then d5, e4, d cross e4. Then knight c3, attack the pawn. Then f5, defend the pawn. Then f3. Okay, knight c6, black knight, attack the pawn now. Then bishop go to b5, pin the knight, and e cross f3, cut the pawn, and knight cut the pawn. Okay, then knight h6. Then you can see right now, bishop cross h6. The knight is gone. After that, g cross h6, the bishop is gone. Then knight e5. Okay, another move a5. Sorry, another move is a6. This is the big blunder. That's why queen h5 and we will checkmate right now. That's it. This is chapter 5. We can go now chapter 6. Hello everyone. This is chapter 6. Black resign in 10 moves. Okay, let's start with d4 opening, the king's pawn opening, queen's pawn opening. Okay, then d5, e4, d cross e4, knight c3, attack the pawn, knight f6, defend the pawn, then f3. After that, c5. Okay, bishop go to f4 and c cross d4. White black resign. You can see and finish this video. Okay, another move is knight b5, knight d5, bishop cross b8, knight e3, knight c7, and we will check. Okay, then queen c7, then bishop cross c7, then knight cross d1. After that, rook cross d1. Now black resigned this game because white has better position right now and so many pieces. That's why black resigned this game. White easy to win past this video. Okay, that's it. Okay. Hello everyone, this is chapter 7. White wins by checkmate in 13 move. Okay, first move. Let's start with d4, d5. Queen's pawn came. Then e4, d cross e4, knight c3, knight f6, f3 cross f3. Okay. Then knight cross f3, then c6. Okay. After that, bishop go to c4, then knight b d7, then knight g5, knight d5, knight cross d5, c cross d5, knight cross f7, king cross f7. Okay. Now you can see queen h5 and we will check. Okay. Then g6 pawn, move the g6 pawn, and queen cross d5 and check. Then e6 pawn, then cut and again check. Then king go to g7, then 10, queen f7, and beautiful checkmate. That's it. White wins by checkmate in 13th move. That's it. We can go now chapter 8. Okay. This is chapter 8. White wins by checkmate in 11 moves. Okay. Please watch until finish this video. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's start with d4. Queen's pawn came. Next move d5, e4, d cross e4, knight c3, knight f6, f3, e cross f3. Okay, another move of white, knight cross f3. Then bishop f5, knight e5, and h5. Then white queen go to f3, attack the bishop. Then queen c8, defend the bishop. Then bishop c4, attack the pawn right now. Then e6, defend the pawn. Then bishop g5, okay, attack the knight. Then knight g4, okay. Now you can see right now what's happening going to be queen cross f5. Okay, you think why queen is cut the pawn or bishop? What this is perfect move of white because you see now e cross f5. Okay, now that's it. Bishop cross f7 and we will checkmate. This is beautiful and amazing and brilliant checkmate. Okay, that's it. Okay,